The Kingdom of Tonga is proud to have performed for you the Ma'ulu'ulu. And as Lauti said earlier on, very glad to have our tourists here, especially from the vessel that's in town. What a treat to have arrived in America, Samoa, and see more than 20 cultures and representatives here. Thank you again, American Samoa, for being a great host. As we said earlier, we have shared cultures, we have shared history, and of course we share our dances. Our next item is originally from Uvea. The mako is a dance typically done by very energetic young men. It shows their agility and of course their physique. Our next item is called the mako, and would like to send this one out for all of our visitors here, reminding you that we have some arts and crafts from Tonga right across the road with our other neighbors. If you like the siapa or the tapa, our women have brought it down from the Kingdom of Tonga. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, the mako.
Get the ball!